Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. I'm Rahul Jain from the Mentalist Academy. We are doing some questions from the H.C. Verma book. This is question number 16 from the exercises. Let's see what the question says. If A, B and C are mutually perpendicular to each other, show that C cross A cross B is equal to 0. And this is the second part, is the converse also true? So let us prove this. That C cross A cross B is equal to 0. अब हमारे पास तीन म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स है. सो हम इस क्वेश्चन को दो मेथड से कर सकते हैं. लेट अस डू बाय वन मेथड, दैट इज मैथमेटिकल मेथड, where we will be assuming these vectors, and another is visualization method where we will use the property of cross products and then we'll find out. So first method से करते हैं where we are using the mathematical method. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि let us assume three mutually perpendicular vectors, and what is the easiest way to assume that? हमें पता है कि coordinate axis जो होती है, this is x direction, this is y direction and this is z direction. We know that all the three directions are mutually perpendicular to each other. So let us assume the three vectors in these particular directions. That is the easiest way. So I am assuming that A is equal to A I cap, B is equal to B j cap, and C vector is equal to C k cap. Three mutual perpendicular vectors. Because it's a general question, तो मैंने कोई भी जनरल आपके पास तीन म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स अज्यूम कर लिए. अब लेट अस फाइंड द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड बी. सो ए क्रॉस बी वुड बी इक्वल टू ए आई कैप क्रॉस बी जे कैप. नाउ वी नो दिस, लाइक we draw a circle, just a shortcut, that we will represent all the three directions I cap, j cap and k cap on this circle, and if we will move anti-clockwise, then I cap cross j cap would give you k cap. So therefore I cap cross j cap would give you k cap. So A into B, k cap would be the cross product of A and B. Now we have to find the cross product of C with A cross B. So C cross A cross B, this would be equal to, C is C k cap cross A B k cap. We have to find this, and as we know that cross product of any two vectors, like these are the two vectors, cross product of any two vectors is A into B into sine of theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. So the angle between A cross B and C k cap, यानी k cap and k cap, क्या एंगल होगा दोनों के बीच में? k cap and k cap के बीच में what will be the angle? 0 degrees. So therefore we will put sine of 0 degrees, and sine of 0 is 0. Therefore this value k cap cross k cap would give you 0. So therefore the final answer would be 0. And using this way we have proved that C cross A cross B is equal to 0, where A, B and C are mutually perpendicular. So this was one method through which we are proving that. इसके अंदर हम लोगों ने क्या किया, कुछ assumptions किए, हमने वेक्टर्स को कुछ जनरली अज्यूम कर लिया तीन म्यूचुअल परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शंस. अब इसका एक दूसरा मेथड ये है कि हम लोग क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट की एक बहुत स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी है, उसको यूज करते हैं हम लोग. सो लेट अस यूज द प्रॉपर्टी दैट when we find out the cross product of two vectors like A and B, if we are finding out the cross product, then the vector which will obtain from the cross product, suppose that vector is D, that is D vector. So the D vector would be perpendicular to A as well as B. The D vector would be perpendicular to A, that like this is A and this is B. So the D vector would be perpendicular to A and B as well. So तीसरी ऐसी कौन सी डायरेक्शन है, थर्ड म्यूचुअल परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन, वो इसी डायरेक्शन में होगा अगर मैं ये मान रहा हूं तो. So therefore I know that the third vector would be in, the D vector would be in third mutually perpendicular direction, and we also know that the C vector is also in the third mutually perpendicular direction, because these two are perpendicular and C is also perpendicular to both of them. So C would also be in this particular direction. And now as we know that both the vectors are in the same direction, so therefore the cross product of C and D would be equal to 0 again from the same thing. The angle is 0, therefore sine of 0 would give you 0 value. So therefore हमने बिना कुछ assumption किए, just by the use of vectors and their directions and using this special property of cross product, that the cross product of two vectors will give you a vector which is perpendicular to the two vectors. तो उस प्रॉपर्टी को हमने यूज करके यहाँ पे क्या निकाल दिया, 0 वैल्यू निकाल दी C एंड D का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. आई होप आपको ये दोनों मेथड समझ आ गए होंगे. दीज टू आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट मेथड्स बट बोथ आर यूजफुल इन द क्वेश्चंस. सो ये दोनों मेथड समझने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई होप समझ आ गए होंगे. इफ यस, देन लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.